Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for April 9th to the 23rd. Going to take a quick look at the radar. It's a lot quieter and down in places that had severe storms yesterday at this time. But now the action moves east and northeast, and we have a couple of watches or warnings here. We'll get this. This is a severe thunderstorm watch and effective 10 p.m. tonight. And this includes the District of Columbia, Delaware counties of Kent, Castle, Sussex. And then we have another one, I think. Severe thunderstorm watch. Oh, okay, it's the same one. Okay. But we have severe thunderstorm watches here. As storms begin to fire up in this warm air mass that we have, you can see these are the current temperatures. We warmed up into the 70s across this area. This is adding fuel to the storms. But early this morning, temperatures were in the 40s and 50s. And now it's warmed nicely in this area. And this will, like I said, will bring fuel to the storms as they develop during the peak afternoon heating. Okay, we have here rotation here. Let me see. Severe storm report, a train spotter of hail, magnitude 0.7. And I thought I saw something, oh yeah, here. And we have a special weather statement here, and we'll get a look at that. And this is for strong thunderstorms impact portions of southern and central Allegheny and central Wilkes counties and northwestern North Carolina through 3:45 p.m. And it says the Doppler radar is tracking a strong storm over Wilbar, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour, and the hazards are winds of 40 miles per hour, and gusty winds can knock down trees and limbs and unsecured objects. Okay, now we're going to get to the forecast. We're going to look at the pattern for April 9th to the 13th. And we have our ridge here near the Aleutians. We have a trough here that will be reaching the west during Tuesday or Wednesday. And then you can see we had below normal heights near Greenland and mixed height anomalies across the Arctic. And this is, excuse me, indicative of the Arctic oscillation near neutral at this time. In the lower latitudes, we have a nearly zone of flow with above normal heights. And then we have, with a trough reaching the west coast during this period, this will send several days of rain and high elevation snows across areas of the west into the northern Rockies. And then we'll have an upper low and a surface feature here that would be causing rain across the southeast, across the eastern half of the Gulf Coast and southeast next week. And then this system will go out to sea right here. Okay. All right. We're going to look at the period now for April 14th to the 18th. And the pattern remains the same. We see ridge, trough, ridge, below normal heights, mixed height anomalies here. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for, this is the wrong map. Let me get it. Okay, calling for below normal temperatures here. And I'm calling for anomalies maybe 2, 4, maybe 6 degrees below normal. And above normal temperatures forecast here, with the anomalies up 4 to 8 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Looking ahead to April 19th to 23rd. I don't have to move this over. Okay. I see there's very little change. Still ridge, trough, ridge configuration, zone of flow. trough here, mixed height anomalies across the Arctic region. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for little change in temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is near 35%. Above normal precipitation forecast here, and the probability of occurrence is near 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for April 9th to the 23rd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.